Hey, it's Lori from Recipe Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin spice latte at home. This is a delicious recipe that we see in the coffee shops in the fall, but we're going to make it at home so that we can save a lot of money. I'm going to start by showing you how to make a delicious pumpkin milk. That's going to be the base of the recipe. And we're going to start off with a half a cup of milk. You can use any kind of milk you want. I'm going to use non-fat milk because I generally like to lighten things up, but you can use full fat milk if you want a nice rich latte, or you can even use an alternative milk like almond milk or soy milk. So we're going to add unsweetened pumpkin to the mixture. Use unsweetened pumpkin. You don't want any sweetness in there because we are going to add other sweetness to the recipe. So the pumpkin goes right in there, and we're going to add a teaspoon of brown sugar, and we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're also going to add some pumpkin pie spice. A quarter teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Give it that spicy flavor. And then go ahead and whisk that all together. Get that nice and combined. And then I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. If you don't like to use your microwave, you can certainly do it on the stove. You just wanna warm it up until it's hot and frothy. Okay, so this has just come out of the microwave. It's my pumpkin milk. It smells like pumpkin spice. It's perfect. So I'm just gonna give it a little whisk to incorporate those flavors a little bit more. And then I'm going to pour it into my mug. And then we're ready to add the coffee. So I'm gonna brew the coffee right into the pumpkin milk. I'm using coffee for this recipe, but if you have an espresso machine and you prefer to put that in your latte, you can certainly use espresso too. Okay, we're almost done with our pumpkin spice latte. We've got the hot pumpkin spice milk and the hot brewed coffee, and we're just gonna add a little bit of cream to top it off. I'm using half and half, just a couple of tablespoons, and then we're gonna add some more sweetness. It's completely up to you how sweet you want your pumpkin spice latte. I'm gonna give it a couple of teaspoons of white sugar. And now for the best part. You can drink it like this, but this is really the best part. We're gonna go ahead and add some whipped cream and nutmeg. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. And a little bit of sprinkle of nutmeg on the top. And there you have it. There's your homemade pumpkin spice latte. It's gonna save you a lot of money this fall if you make these at home, so that you have extra money to go out and buy things like clothes and jewelry and shoes. For the full recipe, visit recipegirl.com.